Hey there YouTube, today we'll be taking a look at Windows 2.11 for 286 chipset computers. This put quite the dent in my floppy disk quantity. It's on 7 disks. Although Windows 3.1 for workgroups is on less, actually. I think it was 5 or 4 or 5, not 7. Oh, there you are, Pixel. What you doing? What you doing over there, Pixel? I think you found an ant. We have an ant problem certain times of the year. Okay. Oh boy, Pixel. You're going insane. It's going berserk. Okay. Like I said before, this is going to be the same installation of DOS. I mean, the same. It's the same session anyway. Same installation of DOS as the MS-DOS 5 video. As you can see, everything's good there. Now, I don't know if this is going to work because I couldn't get the disk copy command to work, so let's just go ahead and okay, so here's the thing. We want personal system 2. Yeah, everything's right there. I think somebody just came online in Steam. Yeah, this could take a while, actually. And if it can't read the second disk, then I know I have to use the disk copy command. But it's because I don't have any double density disks left. And they were double density images, so let's just check it out. So what do I deal if it doesn't work? Oh, it worked. Sweet. Don't want to. Okay, since there's utilities 2 disk, I guess utilities 1 disk was the printer drivers. Find my utilities 2 disk. There we go. Insert the fonts disk. Saying the fonts disk makes me remember. Whoa! Holy beep! Looks like this baby's been underwater. And then later in the video it just... Okay, I think I got the system, well, partially installed. Apparently at some point the fonts disk went bad, so... But that's fine. Is Helvetica on here? That looks like that's what it was copying. Which is strange because I don't know that Helvetica is on new Windows computers. Notice the little graphical floppy disk drive up at the top of the screen. If I remember right, disk 3 and 7 doesn't actually. Either of them are actually. Let's not run MemSet. apparently disk 3 and 6 aren't required without certain, like on the minimum installation, I guess. So I'm just doing the way I had to set it up in a virtual machine to get it to work, so I may be able to run memset and whatnot here. But I tried all kinds of different things on the virtual machine, and they all made Windows unusable. So just all rendered it unusable. Okay, let's press Control and Delete, like it's telling us to. Hi, Pixel. What you doing? Okay, it didn't give us enough time to see the logo, which is interesting, but, well, I mean, it's not interesting that it didn't give us enough time to just show us the logo, but what's interesting is the fact that the logo is interesting. I don't know, I'm saying craziness. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen Windows 1, you know that programs had to be full screen to Windows 1. I think I may delete the Windows directory after this, and, you know, I'm going to run the disk copy command on my Windows 1 disk. Well, actually, on my... Okay, so let's just go ahead and screen colors, not border width, what the heck? Okay, screen colors. No, I actually kind of like the current colors. Oops. That was weird. Oh. Huh. Oh well. I don't even know that it was possible to get sound in Windows 2. Other than a little warning beep. Hi. Hi. Huh. Hi.msp, okay. What am I thinking? Just give me a second, I'm gonna throw in the additional driver's disk and see what we find. That's weird. There's the ThinkJet. Okay. Let's go ahead and end our Windows session. Exit. Here, actually, there's also an end session thing in the special menu, which they totally stole the special menu from macOS. Alright. As always, thanks for watching. and I'll see you again soon. Yeah.